How to download and install Firefox on your laptop. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So first of all, you have to open up a browser. For this video, I'm going to use Google Chrome web browser. Then click on search bar. Now search Mozilla Firefox. Now you have to click on this link. Then you will be taken to this page. And after that, here you will get download Firefox. Click on it. Download Firefox. Then Firefox installer will be downloaded, and as you can see that Firefox installer has been downloaded. Click on it and then click on yes. And if you have ever installed Firefox on your laptop, then you will get this pop-up. So click on reinstall, and then the installation process will begin. Then click on done, and we are done. As you can see that my Firefox has been installed on my laptop. Now if I open it, then it will ask me make primary browser. That means the default web browser. If you want to make it a default web browser, then click on make primary browser. Otherwise click on not now. And that's how you can install Firefox on your laptop. Hope this video helps you. Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.